welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making two burgers, the first one being a seaweed burger and the second a chili burger. For the first burger I've got some seaweed bacon which I've blended and added some spices to. We've got onion powder, black pepper, salt and garlic powder. For the second burger I'm going to use chili flakes, chili powder, onion powder and garlic powder, and I've also got some onions which are chopped finely and 400 grams of vegan mince, which will be split up to make 4 burgers. As I'm making two different flavoured burgers, the first thing to do is to split the mince and separate them evenly into 2 bowls. So first up is the chili burger, and what I'm going to do is add all the spices and the chopped onions into the bowl with the mince and then knead it through and make sure it's fully mixed. Now on a chopping board we just need to split them into 2 equal balls and form with your hands, and if you've got a burger press you can now press these into burger shapes. Now onto the second burger. Again it's just adding the dry mixture into the mince and forming with your hands, and then we'll use the burger press again to make them into burger shapes. If you haven't got a burger press you can use your hands to flatten them, or I've seen people use a plate or something similar to flatten them into the burger shape. So there we have 2 pretty unique burgers, quite different flavours from each other, and I'm going to cook them at the same time in the same frying pan just to see which one tastes the best. So I've got a frying pan on medium heat, and I'm going to add the burgers and turn them a couple of times to finish cooking them through. So after 5 minutes roughly on each side the burgers are cooked, and I've added them to some vegan buns with some lettuce and mayonnaise, tomatoes and pickles. I decided to not put the cheese on the burgers because I didn't want to hide the flavour too much, and from the two the seaweed one was definitely an interesting flavour. If you like seaweed, you'll like the burger. If you don't, you won't. The chili one wasn't too spicy. It had great flavour coming through, and all in all, 2 decent burgers, although the chili one was definitely the better one. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.